Hello everyone, I'm Karanveer Kamra. Welcome to Law Academy. Today we will study what is the difference between a contract and an agreement. Let us start with a video. So what do you mean by an agreement? Agreement is a promise between two parties to do something or to not do something. Agreement दो parties के बीच में, दो बंदों के बीच में एक प्रॉमिस है कुछ करने के लिए या कुछ नहीं करने के लिए in exchange for a consideration. Now, what is a contract? Contract is an agreement. Contract is an agreement which is enforceable by law. So any agreement which is enforceable by law is a contract. So now let us see where is this term agreement and a contract given under the Indian Contract Act 1872. So agreement is defined under section 2 clause E of the Indian Contract Act 1872, which says that every promise and every set of promises, every promise and every set of promises forming the consideration for each other is an agreement. Now let us see what is the definition of the contract given under Indian Contract Act 1872. So contract is defined under section 2 clause H. Section 2 clause H of the Indian Contract Act says that any agreement enforceable by law is a contract. Any agreement enforceable by law is a contract. So now, my question to you is, we have studied what is an agreement and what is a contract. So, can we say that all contracts are agreements, but all the agreements are not contracts? See, the condition for an agreement to become a contract, the condition for an agreement to become a contract is that agreement should be enforceable by law. So there are, let us suppose, numerous agreements, and in those numerous agreements there are only certain agreements which are enforceable by law, and those certain agreements which are enforceable by law would become a contract. Therefore, all the contracts are agreements, but all the agreements are not contracts. So, I hope you liked today's video, and we will continue with our videos in our next session. Thank you, and stay tuned to Law Academy.